Hey guys, I'm HP. Dr. Pink is over there. I have some news about the HPCrazy Guitar Academy or the HPCrazy Students Club. I'm gonna work it out to becoming more interactive. And the first step is now, if you go to the HPCrazy Students Club, you see the link in the description below, hpcrazy.com/club.html. That's the place to go. You register for free. So if you want to show to the community, which we are there, we have 300 members there, what you learned or how you manage a lesson which you're working on, which you learned here in the HPCrazy Guitar Academy. You find instructions there how you can show your recordings to the community. And if I have time, I don't have so much time, but I want to take my time to really start to review what you learned and probably give you some tips, or other people can give you tips. That's the basic idea of this now. Build a community, share with each other how you're working on a lesson which you like. You post the lesson and then you record stuff of yourself. It's just show that you can see both hands and the guitar. Record it, post it there, upload it on YouTube, make a link to my channel, then post it there as well, and then we see what other people say about your current progress. And every level is welcome. It's not about judging, oh wow, you're a great player, you can make mistakes, it's no problem. Just really be brave and post your stuff, because by getting a feedback of others you learn most. And if everybody says, oh, you're great, you don't improve. I know myself, I learned most of the hard critics I got from my teachers, and I hated them for that, I must say. But when I look back, they were somehow right, and critics say it nicely is always a better way to improve. So be brave. Register, that is for free. Just hit the join button on the HPCrazy Students Club, and then you can really start to interact. And there's more cool stuff to come there. We're gonna also make some contests. Yeah, we will see. I don't want to say everything now. I'm slowly starting to build up this community now. So join there, and we see us there, guys.